Okay, we've all been there, right? Stuck with a home repair? Let's look at a new fix. That half-finished project, the contractor's gone, it's a total nightmare, isn't it? But what if there was a crew that only took on those jobs? Yep, let's meet them. Say hello to Corry's homeworkers. They call themselves DIY rescue specialists. Pretty cool, huh? And trust me, they are not your typical contractor. Their whole model is different. They jump into the messy stuff, stalled projects, tricky repairs, even just the hard parts. So how do they do it? Well, their whole model is built on a super simple rulebook. Look at this. Every single day has the same 4 steps. It's all about transparency. And here's the real kicker, the settle-up rule. You only pay for what you think was fair. So no huge down payments, no getting locked into some long, scary contract. The pricing is super straightforward, just a flat $55 an hour per person. But wait, it gets better. If you pay that same day, the rate actually drops. And check this out. They even have a special rate for seniors and veterans. So what does this all mean for you? Well, it puts you in the driver's seat. Let's just compare this for a second. It's the complete opposite of the old way. Basically, you're in total control. You can stop anytime, no drama, no commitment. You know, this is way more than just a business model. It's like their promise. Their number 1 rule, settle up every day. So money and trust never get mixed up. It's all about respect for you, their crew, and their own reputation. I love that. And they've been doing this since 2018, helping people finally finish those frustrating projects. When you boil it all down, their goal is simple, giving you peace of mind. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What if every home repair was this honest?